Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So today guys I'm going to show you what I purchased in Primark. You know, I went to River Island, Poundland, M&S, H&M, GD Sport, and many things. I will upload the videos what are the new items in M&S and River Island, and Primark is like, you know, I bought something. So anyway, before that, I will just show you what I purchased in Amazon. Because I want, look, they give me so big box. And then my order actually is very small. But the box is so big. And look at what they do. They put too many papers. I don't think so it's necessary because the other box is very secured. Look. Oh. Or maybe not. Oh. And then this is just two items, guys. So first item is this sofa cover. You know, I bought before something velvet and I didn't like it. That's why I didn't cover our couch. The reason why I need to cover it is because our couch is cream and it doesn't match to our living room, to our carpet, because our carpet is gray. So I decided to purchase cover gray. I tried before cover, but it's ugly. So hopefully this one doesn't look ugly. It's from Amazon. How much is it? 20? No, it's not. Like 20 pound or 18 pound. So the color is good for me. I just hope that once I put it on, it will be nice. Because the one that I like color is like this color, the gray one. Velvety, but like this. But this one, they don't have velvet. That's why. If they have velvet, that will be good. Because my living room is, you know, my dining chair is like something like this, velvety, something like that. So anyway, this is, look at, they have a different color. So wish me luck. Because this is for a 3-seater. Looks good, but let's see. Look like that. Yeah, because it's a bit ugly, guys, when I when like the carpet is gray and then the dining table is gray and that is cream. It doesn't match really. And then this one is, you will be shocked what I purchased. Oh, it's like this. Okay, so I grabbed this shower rack. It's because, you know why, guys? It's because I want to hang my clothes because it's winter or autumn. Coming winter, I need to hang my clothes. So I just need to put it like this. But it's not what I expect. But let's see. It's like that. I just want to use it to hang my clothes. It's not really for shower, but I bought it like this, and then, you know, there's a space in my toilet in the down, so I put that, and then I put hanger. Maybe, I'm not sure. I just try it because I really want to have like space for my laundry. Anyway, let's do it now because I need to go again. So first item from Primark is this. What is this? What is this? Like something for winter. For winter, guys. Yeah, like that. That's one. And then another color. I forgot the name of this. Oh my god. And then the next. It's so warm, this one. Or I assume it's so warm. Yeah. Oh. I hope it's nice quality. Or I don't know. I should not expect from Primark. And then I grabbed this. This is just $4.50. It's very cheap. £4.50 for sleeping. It's size small. To have a good day. Yeah. Just very simple to sleep. And then I purchased also for my son just a trouser, jogger, call it, and this one, size medium. I want to give it to someone. This is only, how much? Oh, £3 only. Very inexpensive, guys. This is really expensive. Maybe I'll buy more. And then I purchased again sports bra. It's because I want to exercise so much now. During summer, I said I want to exercise and I didn't. And this time, I purchased last time and then I purchased again because I want to, you know, because I need to wash it every time. After use, I wash it. £10 again. They have other color, but I prefer to stick with black and gray. So it's easy to match. Next is this thermal. Just for like soon, you know, when it's really cold. I need these things really. I don't like cold, guys. That's why I need these things. Oh, look at this. Because of the hanger. But these leggings, it's £7. Why it looks like different. £7 only for these leggings. Yeah, because I think I need this. I don't know why I bought it. I just think I need it. And then I saw this. This is very cheap. This is only £180 for my son. Just in case, you know, £180. Very cheap, this one. And then I also grabbed this. Wait, I didn't try it. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay. I can use this with this. Actually, I don't know how to style this. That I just purchased it to check it. How can I? Yeah, you wear like that because there's nothing here. How do you wear this? Can you comment? I don't think so. I should wear like that, like nothing, or what? How do you wear it? I don't know. I don't know how to wear it, guys. But this is how it is. Maybe it's inside. Comment down below so I will know. And then another one. I'm getting ready for winter, guys, because you know, I feel like it's going to be really cold. £7 for this. And what else? Oh, I purchased another one. Foot cushion for my boots because I noticed some of them, they're not so comfortable because of the like that inside. So I purchased again. Okay, this one is from, no, there is one more. This one for my son, but I purchased 8 to 9 years old, very advanced. And then this is from Poundland. This is just £1. I have a Halloween decor for the door, but I just grabbed this additional like that. And then this is for the window. Yeah, £1 also. And then gloves, because I want to use gloves when I'm cleaning now. I usually clean bare hand using my bare hands, so I think I need to use gloves when I'm cleaning. And then for my car, because my car is leather and I don't want to scratch it. And last is the hot dog. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'm very happy because I didn't really purchase that much today. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy. I have to go now. Bye.